Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to get Aviator Predictor app activation code. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL or the thing called GitHub. So once you type in GitHub, you will end up in the official website of GitHub. So once you're in the GitHub as well, all you gotta do is simply go and tap on the search bar. So once you tap on the search bar, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you gotta do is simply type in Aviator Predictor app. Once you do this, you will have several other apps in this, and now you need to choose the correct one, that is Aviator Predictor app v4.0. Once you do this, you need to simply scroll down below and there you can find the option called download this app. So once you have downloaded and installed the app, you need to register an account. So once you have registered your account by entering your email and creating a password, you need to obtain the activation code by either purchasing something on the app itself or by using or participating in promotions or referrals. Other than this, you can also contact the customer support for assistance. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative video. Thank you for watching.